Ms. Carr here on a beautiful Friday morning in Salinas. So let's go ahead and take a look at this letter today. Do you recognize it? P. The name is P, as in P for push. And I like to do that hand motion where we're pushing for the popcorn sound. On our letter chart, we're going to be looking for the pumpkin. Pumpkin, pumpkin. Okay, I like it for a lot of reasons. As far as the way it looks, well, the uppercase and the lowercase p's look very similar. One is tall, takes up the whole line, and one is shorter and actually likes to get down in the mud like a pig. And I'll show you all about that. So go ahead and get your writing materials ready to go. And we are ready. So I like this. We're going to do a straight line taking up the whole space. You have it? Great. Then you're going to come back up. You're going to come back up to the very top of the line and make a backward C or a half circle curving around here. And there you have it. You have the head of the P. So the name of the letter is, well, I didn't hear that. The name of the letter is P and the sound is P. Okay. Let's go ahead and do a lowercase p next to it just so we can compare. They are very similar. So instead of starting at the top, I'm going to start in the middle and I'm going to go straight down past that red line, which I usually say stop, stop, stop. Now in this case, it's what I call a dirty letter and we don't want to stop. So you have that straight line. Now you want to stop, don't get me wrong, you're not going to go all the way down the sheet. But you right about where I stopped is great. Then you're going to come back up to that midline to the very top of your lowercase p and curve around so it's touching the bottom line. Not under it, but right there. So what we have here is a capital P and a lowercase p. They both have the same sound. The sound is P. Let's go ahead and practice writing them. I think compared to some of the letters we've been working on this week, you're going to find it easier to write. And remember, our job right now is not to have the best looking P's in the world. Our job is to remember the name of the letter and the sound of the letter. So if you're happy with what they look like, then I'm happy with what they look like as well. Let's go ahead and trace them and say the name louder, though, as loud as you can unless you have a sleeping baby at home. P, 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 P. And then just like the Hartman video that we're watching with the man, go ahead and stretch out your arms and draw it in the air, straight line down and then around. We want to make sure that we're crossing our midline, that our brain is being activated, our arms are moving. Okay, maybe your mom will pop some popcorn for you. That would be cool. So we can keep practicing our P's throughout the whole page, whatever you're working with, maybe some scratch paper, whatever you're using to draw these P's, that's great with me. P. Even if you're using your fingers and drawing it on your own like this, whatever you have, maybe you're just writing with your finger on the table. Don't use a crayon on the table though. Mom might not like that, right? Maybe ask mom first. So keep working on these P's. What is the name of the letter? P. What is the sound? let's go ahead and look at yesterday's letter just to make sure we haven't forgotten it. What is the name of this letter? What was the name? Louder, please. K. What is the name? K. What is the sound? K. 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 Like karate. K. K. Kick. K. K. Okay, let's go work on those P's. I'll send you over some more work videos and then maybe a little game that you can play. Have fun, Mariana.